So it's pretty exciting. That's supposed to start at about 12:30. So the Air Force is going to fly in special formation. They are going to do this to honor those nurses and other healthcare workers that are on the front lines as we all go through this and deal with this coronavirus pandemic and crisis. So that is going to start at around 12:30. They will fly first over one of the clinics here on base, and that overall flight should actually go a couple of hours because it is supposed to last until just after 3 o'clock this afternoon. So the 62nd Airlift Wing will take off and C-17 Globemasters to honor our American heroes during National Nurses Week, which actually started on Wednesday. So the Air Force is scheduled to fly over at least 40 different locations that include many medical facilities, but due to weather and airspace travel requirements, the schedule could be slightly shifted and they may not be able to fly over every hospital that is planned. This was actually originally a scheduled training exercise, so this will not be costing any additional tax dollars. So if you want to watch this event, you can look up to the skies and watch, but the Air Force is encouraging social distancing. That is important. They are also holding some kind of contest through their Facebook page for the best photo. So if you're interested in heading over to their Facebook page for that contest, or you want more on different flight times and locations, I have shared a link on my Facebook page. All you have to do is look for me by searching Kiara Elfallen TV. I'm live here just outside of JBLM, Kiara Elfallen, King 5 News.